Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
Oh, you want to see him in the video?
Hi!
Hi, Daddy.
Hi!
Hi, our Daddy.
Right here.
What else do you want to say to Daddy? You want to talk to Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay, talk.
Hello, Daddy.
Hello.
Okay, go play with Daddy.
Put your letters in.
Say happy.
Which one's that? To turn it around. That's the wrong one. Wait a minute. No, it's not. I know my letters.
Good. Where are you going?
Violet, come on. Why are you going over there?
Go over there.
No.
Go over there.
Yes, I is for insect.
This bug.
Yeah, it's a bug.
Hello, bug.
Hello, bug. Get the bug.
What's over there?
He has big eyes.
Oh, big guy.
Open your eyes very big. Open your eyes really big.
Look here, let me see your big eyes. Make big eyes.
That's a big guy. This one there.
Nope.
What's next one? No. What's next?
What are you looking for?
C? Where's the C?
You have to turn them over so you can see what letter they are.
There's a there's
There it is.
You found C?
Mhm.
Wow, good
a
girl.
what's one there?
Yeah.
It's a B
That's right.
for a basket. Hold on.
Yes. Hold the basket.
And put it in hand.
This is a basket.
Place it in the basket.
Yeah.
It's sleepy.
Uh-huh.
House.
House.
We go to my house.
Oh, yeah?
I go outside
Mm.
and playground
Yeah.
and go down the slide.
It's fun.
Big slide.
Big slides.
Yeah.
Oh.
What was that?
Making faces.
Violet, you're so funny.
There's a big slide. Big eyes.
Big eyes. Put the H in. Yep.
Daddy, what?
Whale.
This whale.
Yeah.
Hi, a whale.
Hi, a whale.
What's the dirty whale? Okay, bye, whale.
Whale's probably swimming in the ocean.
And ocean?
Yeah.
What's that?
That's a V.
For weather?
Yes, for violets. That's true. I didn't know she knew that.
I think Nanya says that with her.
Or the jumper. Jump up.
Jump rope.
Jump rope. Jump rope's right there. Where's the J?
Then jump up.
Yep.
For go next.
Yes.
G.
Mm-hmm.
G.
Z. J.
Just for weather.
Okay.
Just for weather.
V for violet.
Yeah. Chuck.
Spark.
Poo on the feet.
Yes.
Like feet. Like walk.
Uh-huh.
And have a cake.
Have a what?
Cake!
Cake?
How did you get from socks to cake?
Oh. Okay, whatever you say.
Umbrella
Mm-hmm.
for rain outside
Yeah.
and go outside.
Mm-hmm. You gotta hold the umbrella.
Yes, like this.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
And hold it.
Mm-hmm.
Then I heard it. About that.
Are you done with your letters?
There's more letters.
What happened? Are you sleeping? Violet. Violet.
Okay, I'm gonna go do something.
Well, it's fun talking to Violet.
Yeah.
Okay, bye, Violet.
Bye, Violet.
Hey. Bye. Okay, bye.
Bye.